What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here. I'm joined by my lovely wife. Say hello.
Hello.
So we've got some stuff for your face balls here tonight. I just got home from yet another work trip. We got some storms rolling through the old Iowa here, so it was a little bit of a treacherous drive home. I haven't even really assessed the hail damage on my truck, which I am confident there is some. Literally had golf ball size hail, which I was able to get underneath an overpass for the worst of it. So hopefully my truck's not too bad, but we'll just have to see. I haven't even really looked yet.
So it was basically like a bunch of my heads falling from the
Yeah,
sky?
yes, basically. It's like you were headbutting my truck.
Over and over again.
Yeah. Anyway, here's all of our contact info. If you guys want to, here on the YouTubes and the Patreon and my page and my wife's page on Instagram, and then of course our email address. So, and then go check out the website. Or no, I'm sorry, that is our website, not our email address. This is our email address. So there you go. There's all the stuff right there. So yeah, go do all those things.
Yeah,
and
don't be
just
shy.
Generally, put your thumbs on it and
Ship train!
yeah, do all that stuff too. Ring the bell, whatever.
Really, just watch the videos a lot.
Yeah, that too.
And talk to us, because you guys are funny.
Yeah. So, do you want to do...
I have an unboxing of my own.
We got to get into your box.
Yeah, let's get into my box.
So
we'll use the little Main Street for the unboxing knife.
Molly's got a nice little box here.
I also...
Giggity.
Oh no, I can't do that one.
You can't do that?
No. It's
all right.
little...
So let's see what's in your box.
I don't share my box often.
Nope.
But when I do, I'll have to share my boxes more often.
Don't worry, guys. I have a brand new Spyderco box over here, so we'll let her get this out of the way.
We have some static nail polish.
Static nails.
Yep, it's a little indie brand. Wanted to check that out.
Liquid glass lacquer. Yeah, I have no idea what that is.
Nail polish.
Is that it? That's it.
It's got rose hips in it, apparently.
Rose hips. There you go.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, guys. Look at that. Oh, boy.
Are you so excited?
I'm excited.
Oh, which one? Comment down below which one I should wear this weekend.
Oh.
I'm going to be taking these off and putting something on.
We got beautiful pastels and then Sparkle City.
Sparkle City. Are you jelly?
I am.
I know.
I am.
Every one of you is.
Okay, let's get into the good box.
He says, that's dumb. Let's move on.
The good box. Let's see here. I've got for a little unboxing knife, the old Quiet Carry Drift in Vanex. This is the Drift version 2.0. And she's a cool one. So let's get up in here and see what we're working with on this Spyderco box.
I got these for you for your birthday.
You did?
Hey, guess what, guys? Tomorrow's old Dad's birthday.
It is. Tomorrow is Dad's birthday.
July 10th.
Yep. Oh, what do we got here?
Hit him up in the DMs with
we've got
happy
multiple, four packages in here, it looks like.
We got another like 4 or 5 packer on its way, too.
Really? Mm-hmm. All right. Well, I haven't been paying any attention. I have not looked to see what this is. But it looks like we've got too big, too small. So let's see. And I'm not even going to look at the stickers. This is like Christmas. We'll see what we've got going here. We're going to open them in that order right there. So let's see what we got. Boom.
Cute.
A Tenacious. So this is a Tenacious lightweight, and because of the blue, I'm going to assume that this is a partially serrated CPM S35 VN blade. So, it's an upscale Tenacious, but,
Good blue.
Yeah, not a bad blue. All right, so we got the partially serrated tenacious. Next up, oh, this is a little native. Let's see. I'm going to guess that is a black coated M4. This is going to be a Blade HQ exclusive. Yes, it is. Blade HQ. So CPM M4 and Jade G10. DLC coated black M4. So definitely a cool one there. The little native, great little knife. Doesn't fit my hand so well, but a lot of people really seem to like the little native, which is cool. So there you go.
Pretty cute.
Perfect. All right, next up. Boom. What do we got here?
Still got Cheetos.
Yeah, you'll have that. Okay, so this is the Stretch 2. This is the Stretch 2, and that color, guys, I'm going to guess that this is in K390. Yes, it is. Spyderco K390 right there. The Stretch 2 is a fantastic knife. Amazing backlock, very reminiscent of the PM2 blade shape. And the ergos are very, very similar to a PM2. Just an absolutely fantastic knife. Personally, I like it better than a PM2, to be honest with you. The backlock is very well done. And yeah, Spyderco definitely knows how to make a good backlock. And this one is no different. So great little knife right there. And I don't know, let's see what this is here. I don't think this is... Yeah, it doesn't say. Basically, this is just all talking about the K390 blade steel, which is a beast, that is for sure. So, awesome way right there. And I'm going to guess, I don't know for sure, but I'm going to guess the Stretch 2 is going to be fairly inexpensive.
They don't have those little stickers in there this time, huh?
I don't, do they? Or did they not?
No, I don't.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Okay.
Whoop, there it is. So there you go. But the Stretch 2, I think, is a pretty good, budget option, budget-ish, we'll call it option. And, to get a steel like K390, which is just an absolute beast of a steel, yeah, really, really fantastic. So, of course, we're going to check the factory edges. Uh-oh. Look at this little guy.
That looks special.
Yeah. Let's see what we got here.
Native again?
This says, congratulations on your purchase of this exclusive version of the Spyderco Urban. An exclusive is a special configuration of an established Spyderco model that is produced for a single wholesaler. Blah, 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 blah. This is, Henny? I don't know. Pronounce that.
Heine?
Heine? I don't know. Something. www.heinnie.com. I'm not sure who that is. Heine Hayes is who it says. And their sales channels. There you go. Okay,
Heine.
So here is the Spyderco Urban. Pretty cool. I like the red G10. That's nice. And they even got a little clear thing under there to keep the pocket clip from marring up the scale. So this is this is S90V. CPM S90V. I bet you're going to like this one.
Think so?
Yeah, the ergos on. I bet this thing fits your hand
the ergs
beautifully.
Are tight, bro.
Yep. And this is kind of like the dual detent. I mean, it's really just like a slip joint, honestly. But got a really nice positive half stop. And yeah, blade grind is very good. I'm pretty confident that I've handled the Urban before, but it's been a long time ago. So
I'm checking out Heine Hayes.
Here, check it out. What is Heine Hayes?
Well, it's just a EDC and gear
Okay.
kind of website, and there's like camping stoves and shelter,
Do they need a camping kitchen? Because I have one.
And apparel. No, No, I think they're good on all that. Yeah, this is pretty nice.
You like that?
Yeah. Good.
Well, thank you for that.
You're welcome.
So the Spyderco.
I don't like that.
You don't like that?
I don't like it when they do that.
All right. I'm just trying to get some stuff cleaned up here. Okay. So are we going to do a sharpness test on your nail polish or?
Oh, yes. Think.
Okay.
She's sharp, B.
She's sharp. All right.
You could test a glitter.
So I don't know if you remember, but before I left on my last work trip, this knife right here, I was stropping. I don't know if you saw me stropping it up. We did a little TV watching.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but
and then I cut the shit out of my thumb with it, literally, when I was driving down. And this thing, so it was a 40 on here. So,
Really?
Yep. She's sharp, and then I cut the piss out of myself with it. So I actually used that knife this week.
That's what you get.
But let's see here. Let's see where it's at now. I did use it a bit, so I'm not sure where it'll be, but let's see what we're working with. Here we go. $120. I must have used it quite a bit. I did open some packages with it.
Yeah, it was like 110 before you stropped it, yeah? Or was that the other one?
No, it was like, well, before stropping it was like 240 or whatever. But then I got it down to 40, but it when you get a blade that sharp, it's great and everything, but it does not last very long at all. That's why, getting a blade down to where they're like hair whittling or whatever, literally it lasts for the first time you cut something, and then it will go back to that, on this machine, like between 100 and 200 and stay there, depending on steel, stay there for quite some time. But that very ultra edge.
All that work for naught.
Yeah, pretty much. All right, so here's the S35 VN on the Tenacious. 130.
Okay.
Very nice. And that is coming out of the China factory. Yeah. So they did a really good job on that one. That's sharp. So for those that don't know, we're wanting to see something under 200 here for factory edge.
Do you want me to do this one?
No.
Okay.
Oh, you can't? Yeah, I think it's already loaded up.
It's already loaded.
Yeah. I wasn't expecting 4. So I preloaded. All right, so here we go with, this is coming out of Golden, Colorado, Spyderco Little Native in CPM M4. Let's see what we got. $140. So still, really good result, very solid. Let me do that. And then we have the Stretch 2 in K390. Now, I believe, this is going to be a Seiki City, Japan factory. So we've got China Spyderco factory, Golden, Colorado. We got Seiki City, and then the Urban. I'm going to guess that's coming out of Golden, but I don't know that for sure. So we'll check that out in a moment. But here we go with the K390 from Japan. 90.
Get it.
90.
Get it, Japan.
Right? That K390 coming in hot. All right, let's see here. So this is Spyderco CPM S90V, and then they've got the H right there for, I'm assuming, the Henny. Oh, no, this is Italy. Maniago, Italy. So, there you go. The Urban coming
Buongiorno.
from Italy.
Ciao bella.
Yeah. Here we go. 165.
Get your game right, Italy.
So that was the worst of the 5 knives we just tested there, but 165 is still nothing to sneeze at, so that's still a very sharp knife.
Leave it to a bunch
You wanna
of
load one more?
Italians like yourself.
Yep. So, yeah, they don't mess around.
No, they did a terrible job
What are you talking about?
compared to the rest of the knives here.
Ah,
They did a pretty good job on you, though.
yeah. Well, it's still good. It wasn't bad.
I know. I'm just teasing.
Let's see here. I'm gonna go back towards the back on this guy real quick and just see where we're at, because I don't think I used it much towards the back of the blade here. Here we go. Wow. I must have used it quite a bit. Huh. I didn't think I used that much.
I think that you're just telling stories about your strop game.
Apparently. Well, it may have been when I cut myself and I threw it. No. Oh, 65 right there.
Oh, we found
Found a sharp spot. Found a sharp spot. Yeah, no, but it definitely was 40 a week ago. But I did use it a little bit, but
Do you want that one?
I don't care. Let me see here.
Walter, Dad's telling stories again.
Yep. Here we go. 50.
Okay.
50. So the front part is sharp, the back part not so much. But yeah, this thing definitely was a 40, or well, the spot that I tested, obviously. But yeah, so she was sharp, but man, it went away pretty quick, obviously.
You'll have that.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. That's what we got going on here. We got the Stretch 2, the Tenacious, the Little Native, and then the Urban.
And then the static nail polishes in
Oh, they say
Earl
on
Grey.
the bottom.
We have
Ellie? Is this just called Ellie?
Breakfast with Audrey. Breakfast at Tiffany's.
Breakfast with Audrey.
Yeah, I know. And lavender honey.
There's your Earl Grey. So these are all just named after teas or what? Lavender honey,
No.
Earl Grey,
Just things.
and Breakfast with Audrey. And
Yeah.
then
Tiffany
Hooker.
blue.
Hooker Sparkles. Titty Glow.
Titty glow.
Titty Glow.
That's what they should have named it.
That's- yeah,
Opportunity
exactly.
missed.
Yeah. If they would have named that Titty Glow, it'd sell a lot better.
I
So,
would buy all the nail polishes called Titty Glow.
Mm-hmm.
And like, I shouldn't say what I was about to say. And like,
so anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing here of the latest Spyderco Collector Club stuff. And go check out our website. You can pick yourself up, a sweet little patch like this one. They're nice PVC patches, as well as a mug or a strop or a CME or, just lots of things. It's fun for the whole family. Pick your wife up something special.
don't ever buy me anything from our website.
From our website? Weird.
Kidding.
All right, guys. Hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. We'll see you later. We gone.
Word.